What's up guys, it's Jefferson with the Starters page, and I'm doing a review of a belt mounting clip for your DSLR. I actually really like this idea, and actually it feels a lot better. I really hate the DSLR neck straps that goes around your neck, and the reason being is because I go to a lot of martial arts tournaments, and having to hold that around your neck for hours is just really annoying, just to put it plain and simple. And with this mounting belt right here from Movo Photo, I'm just gonna put this around my waist and then just clip it on. It's really easy. If you need to tighten it, tighten it. If you need to loosen it up. All right, so I'm just gonna put this in the side because that's actually where I'm gonna have it. This one is just gonna clip on right here, and you're gonna have this little quick release latch as well. So the way I mounted it is like this. It's a little different. This part does come out to give you a little bit more stability, but I just make sure these parts right here, the opening, are on the side of the camera. With that said, I like to hold the camera with my left hand, and then I'm gonna open up the quick release, place it in, and then that's it. You wanna take it out? Oh! You're gonna put it back in. It's really easy. It stays in place, which is really nice. And then this part right here, I'm gonna loosen this part up. I'm gonna put this right here. And I believe the reason for this is so it would protect your pants, or so your legs won't hit the lens. You guys like that, ladies? All right, well anyway, so I'm gonna hop around. That would suck if the camera fell. Like, I'm wiggling really hard, stays in place. You could even run with it. It's gonna feel weird running with this thing, but you can. You could take it out without even looking at it, which is really nice. I'm wearing a jacket because when I go to tournaments, I wear this jacket, so I wanna show and give off that impression of using it in that light, in that real scenario. But other than that, that's it. Like, when you mount it on here, it's really easy, really simple. You just screw it on, that's it. Other than that, that's pretty much the review and demonstration of the Movo quick release plate with the strap. I like to call it the Movo quick release belt strap. And then if you guys want to take out the belt, you can do it with one hand, because you know I'm good like that. But yeah, that's the review of the quick release belt. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't yet, you need to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and have a good day.